I know that I've only posted 2 videos about the brand new xTool Omni O1 UV printer, and today what I really wanted to do was show you how to do a print then cut using my xTool P3 with the Omni one, but unfortunately that is not today's video. Today's video is about maintenance because while I've only done 2 things with this printer, and it's the 2 things that I've shown you that I've done with this printer, I am now needing to do some maintenance. So when I went into the software today, it immediately gave me this device health, and I was like, oh, that's new because that normally doesn't have a 2. So I click on it, and then I'm here with this is what I need to get done. Okay, I scroll down because it says expiring soon, maintenance soon. However, if I scroll down here, it says my due time is August 11th. It is August 12th. So that means it's not due soon, it's due today because I needed to do it yesterday. So unfortunately, before we do any type of crafting, we got to do some weekly maintenance. That is something that is different about the eufyMake UV printer, is that apparently there is weekly maintenance that we have to do. Every 7 days, we're gonna have to do these 2 things right here. Now, it seems like we shouldn't have to do much of that more, like the air filter, replacing the air filter, the optical path cleaning. I got like 168 hours, so, you know, I don't know. So anyway, it looks to me like we have to do some maintenance, some weekly maintenance. All right. The one thing that I do like though, is that when I went up here, I was like, I have no idea how to clean this. There's zero clue to me. So I went over here and I said, view guide. I love the fact that they give us a video. Holy cannoli. It's a minute and 32 seconds long. I have already watched this through and through, and honestly, this seems like something that I can do. So although I'm never excited about doing any type of maintenance, this right here seems fairly easy. As per the directions, the few and minimal things that you are going to need is going to be some gloves. You're also going to need some lint-free cloths. You're going to need these absorber foam things. This came with the UV printer, and then also these long tweezers also came with the UV printer. Please make sure that you protect your hands. The resin from the UV ink before it is cured is very toxic, and so protecting your skin so it doesn't absorb into your skin and get into your bloodstream is definitely very important. Now, as per the directions, it says that what we're gonna have to do is we are gonna have to go into device control, and then over here at the print head, what we want to do is we want to make this like 300 and press start. What that did was, and I guess I should have taken the lid off of this, is, let me close this. Okay, what that did was is it takes the head from over here to over here. Now let me see if I can actually show you what that, will it go back? Yes, it will go back. Okay, so we need to take the print head and we need to move it over, okay? And you don't want to manually put your hand on the print head and drag it over here because that'll ruin your print head. So what you want to do is you want to put in the 300 and press start, and then you can see that the print head moves over. All right, so we're gonna use one of these cleaning cloths. Okay, don't be stingy with them. You're only gonna work on one print head at a time. You do not want to intermix these 2 because they're 2 very different inks. And so if you mix them, you're going to have a problem. So we're only gonna work on the very first, it's the print head 1 right now. So what you wanna do is you wanna take and you want to wipe off any of the excess ink that's on the scraper. This right here is the print scraper. You wanna take and wipe this off. And then what you want to do is you also want to take and remove any of the excess ink that is around it. Okay, so I got a little bit of ink, not a whole lot, but there is a little bit on here. We're only going to work on side 1 though, so just make sure you only work on side 1. Okay, now if there is ink that's underneath here, like in this little spot right here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but if there is ink that's right here, what you can do is you can twist this, push down and twist, pull it up, okay? Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take another cloth and you just want to absorb that ink. If there is some, I actually don't see any ink down there. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit. Okay, so we'll just take the foam thing out. So you're gonna put, whoa, okay. Got my little tweezers. We're gonna pick this up. Okay, I'm gonna just put that in my hand. Looks like I had some black, some black ink. That's fine. So then I'm just going to add this more cleaning cloth to the inside. We'll use the tweezers to get on into all those nooks and crannies, picking up all that reserved, that leftover ink that's down there. Awesome. Once you have that taken care of, what you want to do is replace another ink pad from this box. We're gonna put that in there, place that down in there, then I'm gonna use my tweezers to just place it down flat, just like how I found it. Then we need to replace this. So we're going to just push this down and twist it. And now this is ready to go. All done. All right, so I've done this side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna now go over to the second print head because I have two print heads, and I am going to put this and do the same exact cleaning thing that I did for number one, making sure we are not going to mix the two. I'm also not putting my cleaning cloth because you can see that there is this like grate thing that's right here. I brought you closer so you can see. So there is this grate, yeah? I'm not putting my cloth inside the grate. I'm just wiping off everything that's around it. At least that's what the directions when that video is. I think the video is extremely helpful because it shows you exactly where this person, whoever's cleaning their machine, is like rubbing. And all this person did was just rub the outside, making it nice and clean, just like that. Okay. Then there is a ton of ink that's down there. I can definitely see that. So I'm going to press down, twist, pull up. Okay. I'm going to set this to the side for right now. And then I'm going to, with my tweezers, I'm going to pick up this foam. See all that? Oh, there, we got a lot of ink down in there. So I got that. Now I'm going to put another cleaning cloth down here. These are the unused cleaning cloth, okay? I can't stress enough that you definitely do not want to mix these two because whatever this I think this head's the DT head as opposed to like the UV. I don't know, but they're two different heads, and because they're two different heads and two different inks, you don't want to mix the inks because otherwise you're going to have some problems with your print head. And we want to make sure that we don't have any problems with the print head because who knows how much it costs to replace this bad boy. Okay. Got a little bit more, so I'm just going to get another cloth. I love the fact that they do give you a lot of cloths. So then, you know, you don't feel like you have to be stingy with your cloths. Now I do know eventually we are going to have to replace the print scraper. This right here is the print scraper. It looks like all you'd have to do is lift up out of there. That's pretty similar to the eufyMake UV printer. You just, I think right here there's a button. Oh yeah, there's a button. You just like flip it and then it'll come right out. So eventually we are going to have to replace that, but right now we don't. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in here, and how you put it down, how you put it back is just the way you put it in or took it out, right? Just press and twist. And now it's locked into place. Yo, that's done. All right, now that I have all of that done, I'm going to come back over into device control, and I'm going to just move this home. Hopefully that works. Let's go back over into device health. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna say marked clean because I have in fact cleaned them. You watched me clean them. So we're gonna mark them clean. And now I'm gonna have to do this again on August 8th. I don't know if you're supposed to be cleaning the eufyMake UV printer on a weekly basis. There's nothing over there that tells me that I have to. So doing a weekly cleaning is definitely new to me with the xTool printer because I've never had to do a weekly thing with the eufyMake UV printer. But like maybe that would make my eufyMake run, you know, we have had issues with the Eufy. So is that the reason why? I'm not entirely sure, okay? But now we are done with all this maintenance and I am ready to get crafting. So it didn't take very long. Total record time is 24 minutes. So it did not take very long to do the maintenance. It's just something that like I didn't anticipate doing today. I thought I was gonna come in here and get straight to crafting. So if you're looking for something that is definitely zero maintenance, clearly this is not gonna be the case. Now I have found in all the years of owning different types of machines that there is not one machine that requires zero maintenance. It wasn't that hard. I definitely have to get over like my mental block of like maintaining things. My biggest issue with maintenance is that I don't want to break anything, but that seemed to be very easy. Yeah. All right. So just know that you are going to have some weekly maintenance and I finally get to go back to crafting. So I'll see you next time.